Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So itong reading natin ay para sa mga Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi naman ito personal reading. Pero kung ikaw ay makaka-relate, makaka-resonate, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Love reading ito, guys. Kung gusto mo na nakakonsentrate sa career or hindi patungkol sa love, i-check mo na lang dun sa ibang videos, ano. Yung ating daily reading kasi na ginagawa para sa Libra ay love reading. Okay, let's start. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. By the way, Libra, maglalabas ako ng astrological reading para sa mga Libra. Kung interesado ka sa astrology, doon ko yun i-upload sa Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, i-check mo na lang. Sa ngayon, habang ginagawa ko itong video na to, hindi pa siya uploaded. Pero i-check mo na lang din doon. Okay? So, let's start. If you want to book a personal reading, doon na lang sa TikTok shop ha. Meron akong doon, bracelet na pwede mong ma-avail na may kasama siyang reading na. You do have here the Tower and the Star. This is your main energy. Actually, dalawang major arcana. So, ika-clarify ko to ha. What's with the Tower and the Star? You do have here the Fool. Also a major arcana. Yan, a major arcana. Tapos yung nasa ilalim pa is also a major arcana with the Hanged Man. So, sa nakikita natin dito, Libra, ang ganda ng energy mo ha, with the Star, the Fool, the Tower, and at the bottom of the deck is the Hanged Man. Maaaring yung iba sa inyo, some kind of ending, ang ginagawa mo might be sa sarili mo, might be sa connection mo with your person. With the Star, I feel like you are focusing on your goals, on your wishes, and I feel like this is you with the Fool, na pwedeng you are actually taking a risk into something, no? Na maybe matagal mo nang hinintay. So nakikita natin pwedeng maybe you are dealing with a person na matagal mo nang hinintay, or you are wanting to look forward na sa katuparan or mailagay sa 3D yung connection mo with your person. And with the Star, pwedeng pangarap mo itong person na to, or talagang wish fulfillment mo siya. And you want a connection with this person na talagang hindi na isip-isipan lang. Kumbaga, pwedeng ayaw mo na, the Tower, this is you, gusto mo nang tapusin yung paghahangad or pagkagusto dito sa person na ito. 'Di ba? Parang with the Fool, nako, magte-take na ako ng risk. Ayoko na ng ganito, ayoko na ng hintay lang ng hintay, etc. You know? Dahil might be in the past, ang tagal mo nang naghintay sa person na to. So you are taking the risk, and you are looking forward sa future, no? Let's see. Kunin natin yung main energy ng person mo. Some of you, you are already awakened. Nakakaramdam ako ng energy na awakened ka na sa connection ninyo, sa kung ano ka as a person, maybe even spiritually awakened, and there's a lot of transformation sa'yo. Sino ba tong person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? For the sign of Libra, please. For the sign of Libra. Okay, do you have here the High Priestess? Yeah, this could be a soulmate. May spiritual connection. The High Priestess, napaka-spiritual ng energy. But with the Five of Wands, I want to clarify. Actually, the Hierophant is at the bottom of the deck. And with the this is Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Ngayon, clarify ko lang, what's with the Five of Wands and the High Priestess? Yung Hierophant and the High Priestess are both spiritual energy. So, this could be a person na talagang spiritually connected ka sa kanya. The world is here, guys. Puro major arcanas yung lalabas sa inyo. And also the Temperance, also a major arcana, guys. Ayan, so nakikita natin, maybe there's separation or pagkakalayo sa inyo ng person na ito. And with the Five of Wands, I feel like there's challenge, a lot of problems pagdating sa connection ninyo. And I feel like the Temperance, I feel like itong person na to is also waiting for you. Hmm. Pwedeng hindi kasi siya sigurado regarding the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands has something to do with, pwedeng may kinalaman sa actions. Ah, the Eight of Wands has something to do with family. Nakikita ko rin yan as family. And maybe hindi siya makapag-take ng actions or hindi siya sigurado. The Seven of Swords, so nakakita tayo ng pag-iwas, paglayo, because of this, because of the Eight of Wands. Yeah. Yeah, the Ten of Cups could be family, regarding family. The Ten of Cups is family, relatives. Yan, and the Ten of Wands is also here. So, may mga obligasyon. Pwede may kinalaman sa career yung iba or status, but high chance that there is a family na involved dito. Maybe regarding role, law, religion, or maybe marriage. Yan, pamilyado, pwede ganun. May children na involve. Or maybe yun nga, family, parents, roots. Yan. There's problem with regards to that. And with the world, so may pagkakalayo sa inyo na person na because of those issues na nabanggit ko. Alin man doon. So, I feel like both of you, alam nyo na kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo sa isa't isa or anong gusto nyo mangyari sa connection na to. Pero yun nga, hindi kasi siya sigurado sa action na gagawin niya. Kung paano i-let go yung mga bagay na yun. Especially yung mga bagay na yun, mahirap i-let go kasi importante din sa kanya eh. Yeah. And, alamin natin yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra. Ano yung mga emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of Libra, please, for the sign of Libra. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito. What we have here for the sign of Libra, emosyon ninyo dalawa. You do have here the Eight of Cups. Okay. Three of Cups. Okay. One more card. Queen of Swords, the Justice card, and the Judgment. Okay. So para sa person mo, you do have the Ace of Pentacles, the Sun, Two of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands. Okay, with the Eight of Cups and the Three of Cups, I feel like, yes, you see this person as a friend. You see this person as someone na gusto mo nandyan, gusto mo lagi nandyan. And you see this person as someone na talagang, I mean, you want your future na maranasan, makasama tong person na to. So, you want reconciliation. Kasi siya yung nararamdaman mo na parang, I see my future with you. Parang ganun. I see my future having a child with you. Diba? So, pwedeng gusto mo ng reconciliation, future sa person na ito. You do love this person. You see this person as a friend. As a person na parang pag may kailangan ka, siya yung feeling mo makakatulong sa'yo. And might be, you see this person as someone na mailalabas yung full potential mo kasi yeah, kaya ka nga nagtitake ng risk eh. Or kaya na dun yung feeling mo na kaya ka magtitake ng risk. And with the star, talagang siya yung wish fulfillment mo. Siya yung gusto mo. Person na to with the Ace of Pentacles and the Sun. Mm. 'Di ba? 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 'Di Um, Itong person na 'to, nakikita ka niya as someone or ang emotion niya para sa'yo is someone na, um, parang willing siyang ibigay lahat sa'yo. Like, that is weird kasi parang para sa kanya, being the son, mataas ang ego nitong taong 'to, 'no? And kilala niya yung sarili niya 'pag magmahal, eh. Alam niya yung sarili niya 'pag magmahal. Pero pagdating sa'yo parang hindi niya kilala yung sarili niya, parang gano'n. Parang may mga gusto pa siyang ma-discover pagdating sa, ano ba yung pakikipagrelasyon, pakikipag-connect, pagmamahal ng, katulad mo or paano ba ako 'pag nagmahal ako 'pag pinakita ko yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Parang hindi niya pa alam. And, this person wants to have a relationship with you. Gusto niya ng relasyon sa'yo kasi gusto niya maging masaya kasi nakikita ka niya as someone na makakapagpasaya sa kanya. And sa ngayon sabi ko maraming bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya, pero feeling niya ang pinaka mas makakapagpasaya sa kanya ngayon is 'pag nagkaroon ng relationship yung kayong dalawa. Like, 'pag naging posible yung minsan na inisip niyang imposible. Okay? And with the Ace of Wands, this person really wants to have a new beginning with you. Gustong-gusto niya and there's a lot of passion. The Ace of Wands is talking about passion, a lot of desire, pagkagusto dito sa person na ito. The Page of Pentacles, I feel like napipilitan siyang umarte or maging person na hindi yung hindi talaga siya yun, eh, parang gano'n. Pero napipilitan siya, nauobliga siya dahil sa mga sinasabi ng iba, parang gano'n. And this person wants to talk to you, kaya lang parang hindi pwede. Gusto kanya makausap pero parang hindi pwede. The Six of Wands is here. And the Nine of Wands. I feel like, maraming nakabantay or marami siyang obligasyon, marami siyang ginagawa ngayon. So, isa pa ito sa nakakapagpahirap kung bakit hindi siya makapag-connect sa'yo. So, I can see no communication sa connection ninyo, no? So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? And by the way, ito pa palang cards dito, no? The Justice card, the Judgment, and the Queen of Swords. If you have already reached this phase, no, na reach mo na ito, wherein ikaw yung taong willing kang i-cut off lahat ng mga dapat i-cut off because you are already awakened, nagising ka sa connection na ito, parang ganun. I'm feeling like the same energy with your person. Parang gagawin nyo din to, pero hayaan mo muna siyang ma-awakened, magising, magkaroon ng transformation, magkaroon ng pag-let go sa mga bagay na dapat i-let go, and maging spiritually magising sa connection ninyo. Like, maybe you are the one who is more awakened sa connection na to. Although nakakita tayo ng spiritual na pagkatao mula dito sa person na to, pero maaaring hindi kasi siya aware doon. Parang sinasabotahin niya yung sarili niya, or because of the people na nakapaligid sa kanya, medyo hindi niya mailabas yung pagiging spiritual niya, no? Wherein ikaw maybe na ilalabas mo yon. So, and also kinakat mo yung pagdating sa mga material na mundo. Parang willing kang i-let go or alisan to mga to, because what I see in you is that you are focusing on your connection with this person. Parang maaring ikaw nga medyo spiritual na tao na. So, although saka isa pa yun, ang tagal mo na rin kasi naghintay din. Yan. So, anyway, what will happen in the future for the both of you? You do have the Knight of Swords, the Devil. The Ten of Pentacles. In the future, you do have the Nine of Swords, the Strength card, and the King of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Hierophant and the Emperor, dalawang major arcana. Ang puro major arcana halos ang lumalabas sa'yo, lalo with the Strength. Ito pa, Strength card, and the Devil is also major arcanas. So, in the future, this is you. Pwedeng may mga i-handle ka na bagay or aayusin ka ng mga bagay with regards to your money, finances, career. With the Knight of Swords, this is you na pwedeng nagtitake ka ng actions regarding dito. Ten of Pentacles, this is money. This is other people's money. Nakakita rin tayo ng ganyan. Nakakita rin tayo ng pera na maaaring, I don't know if you're a businessman, businesswoman, so maybe ilalagay sa negosyo, ganun. And you are being the devil here, so you are trying na maging batas in the future, like maybe ilalabas mo yung bagay na hindi mo na ilalabas sa sarili mo in the past. Diba? Maybe in the past masyado kang mahina, masyado nagpapakita ng kaya kang ibuli or kaya kang kayanin, but in the future hindi mo gagawin yun. You will be the one na parang masusunod, no? Maybe in the future ipapakita mo, ako, if you have a business, ako ang boss, ganun. Hindi para kumbaga mabait pa rin naman, pero in a way na kung ano yung sasabihin mo, yun ang masusunod, no? And this is regarding career lang naman pagdating sa'yo, because you're going to build something with the Emperor and the Hierophant, and bubuin mo yon, pero marami ka nang na-experience na bagay bago mo mabuo yon. So i-apply mo yung mga experience na yon and mga learnings na yon regarding dito sa kung ano man yung bubuin mo. Yung iba, something to do with money and business, career, yeah. But I like your energy kasi it's like you're showing your evil side. Your evil side na parang antagal na nahimik, no? Pero sometimes ganun naman talaga pag usaping pera, minsan talaga ganun. Kailangan din ilabas mo yung matapang na ikaw. Hindi pwedeng yung laging ikaw yung kinakaya-kaya, ganun, 'di ba? Lalo sa usaping material. Okay, for your person, there's this Strength card, the Nine of Swords, and the King of Wands. I can see an experience na talagang magpapamulat dito sa person na to. I can see stress problem sa situation niya. Clarify the King of Wands, please. Six of Cups and the Nine of Cups. And the Five of Swords. Okay, itong experience na to, yeah, the feeling ng Nine of Cups is in reverse, so I will read this in reverse. I feel like kung ano man yung mga options niya, tatanggalin niya. And I can see this person na mas gustong bumalik sa past, or maybe if you're dealing with someone na malayo, so pwedeng isipin niyang umuwi or bumalik, no, sa kung saan, maybe sa Philippines, ano. And with the Five of Swords, I feel like may mga bagay siyang ma-experience na magbibigay ng malaking pagbabago sa sitwasyon niya ngayon. And there's a lot of hatred here, galit, puot, inis, and yeah, with the Six of Cups, I'm feeling like etong person na to, nandun yung feeling na parang wala na akong pakialam, I just want to be happy, and masyadong toxic kung nasaan ako. Okay, so this is for your reading. Thank you. Sana ay nakuha mo yung mga messages ay doon. Hopefully nakarelate ka. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot Madam BTV, Virgo Philippines, ayan, and Water Sign Philippines, Libra Philippines. For personal reading, Unipri, ayan, puntahan mo na lang sa TikTok, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.